Hi everyone! This video is going to show you what is a pet dander and how can you effectively remove this from your pets. So, pet dander are skin cells that are shed by animals with fur or feathers like cats, dogs, rabbits, guinea pigs, birds, etc. They can actually trigger allergic reactions like sneezing, wheezing, itching eyes, runny nose, and can even trigger an asthma attack. So here, as you can see, I am using the Rainbow Pet Grooming Attachment to suck up all the dirt in Oikos first to freshen her up. So I'm using the second level of vacuum of this Rainbow unit so that Oikos won't be scared nor be uncomfortable while I'm doing this. I'm doing this throughout the entire body of Oikos, and at the end of this video, I'll be showing to you how much dirt or dander we're going to collect on Oikos first. regularly, how much more would I be getting from Oikos? These are actually dust particles, baby hair that are coming out from her, and very unsafe, especially if someone who has asthma or allergy will be exposed to this. From this experience, I've realized we needed to do this for Oikos regularly, at least in between her bath routines, to keep us safe and healthy while keeping her. So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video.